What's up, everybody? Brant with Liftech here, and today we're going to answer a question that we get asked all the time. How long will my repair last? Well, it's a little complicated and there's a lot of factors. So I dug deep, dug out the old college textbooks, and I think I came up with a formula that'll help us understand. So it's pretty simple. You're just going to want to plug the age of your concrete right here in years, and then the square footage right here. And now let's get to work. Okay, clear as day. If it does help you make you feel better, Liftech only does warranty work on about 2 to 5% of our concrete leveling projects. So there's that worse than 95% chance it's never going to fail again. And for those 2 to 5% times, when we come out and do the work, you're right back into that 95%. So the chances it's going to fail twice are like 1 in like 20,000, if not more. I think, considering all the math I just did, I should be able to do that math. But either way, there's so many things to consider. So the big important things are, did you get rid of the easy stuff? Poor drainage, poor soil, things like that. And do you hire a company that has a good warranty and has good reviews? At the end of the day, those are the two biggest factors, and there's so much out of our control. Don't worry about stressing about it. Just get it done right and go back to enjoying that Colorado sunshine. If you have any more questions, go ahead and call Liftech, because we're always happy to help.